Here, no obstructions. Seen. Then check yung pulse. Check yung pulse. Then pulse and breathing. Then LLF. Ang meaning ng LLF. Mabilis na may idea. LLF. Sino may idea? Wala? So ang LLF is look, listen, feel. Then look, listen, then feel. Dito sa cheek nyo, kasi medyo sensitive to eh. Okay? Pag-check nyo kung may breathing siya o wala. So, LLF, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? The victim is no pulse, no breathing. Please follow the medical assistance as I do CPR. Okay? So mag-i-start ako ng CPR. Then, 30 compression.
Gagawin niya guys, 5 cycles. Pakita mo yung 5 cycles sir. 5 cycles. Dami nyo kung 5 cycles.
Ang dami. Pagod!
Okay, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds, nandito sa taas ha.
Sa taas, 5 cycles yun ha.
Para makabawi.
Kaya ko, Bill? Kaya ka lang. Sige, go. Okay, ready?